away.
Oh, that's Kelvin.
Scottish Parliament election for the Glasgow Cathcart constituency hereby give notice that the total number of votes polled for each candidate at the election was as follows: Aileen Jane Gladys Baxendale, Scottish Liberal Democrats, 1,118 votes. James Dornan, Scottish National Party, SNP, 11,000. Independent, 450 votes. Richard Allen Sullivan, Scottish Conservative and Unionist Party, 2,410 votes. There were 166 rejected votes, and I declare James Dornan returning officer in the Scottish Parliament election for the Glasgow Shettleston constituency hereby give notice that the total number of votes polled for each candidate at the election was as follows: Rory Dobson, Scottish Liberal Democrats, 371 votes. John Mason, Scottish National Party, SNP, 10,000. John Mason is elected to serve in the Scottish Parliament as a member for the Glasgow Shettleston.